Alright, so this is my 2007 Silverado Classic. I've got Alpine media player here. I've got Stevens Audio MB8 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the doors. I've got the Stevens Audio full-size horns here under the dash. Here in the back, I've got two Image Dynamics ID Max 12s, infinite baffle, and those are running on the Triton amp. I've got a Helix processor, and then behind the seat I've got two Scar 150.4 4-channel amps. I just want to do a little demo here to give you an idea of what this thing sounds like.
Drinking a 12.